today I'm going to be doing a quick video on this, which is my Numatic Daniel. Now this isn't actually a production machine made by Numatic. I made this myself. As you can see, some parts of the paint are coming off sadly, but I can't help that. In the top it's quite bad, unfortunately. There's quite a bit here. It's where the cable actually sticks to it. I don't know why it does that, but it sticks to it. But yeah, it's quite nice. Quite pleased with how it come out. So it says Daniel on the front. It's a sticker. It was originally a James lid and a Henry tub, but I sprayed them. Got the two vents on the back, and we have the original James sticker. It was a JVP 180-1 from 2007, but it's not anymore. And I didn't paint around this. It is orange underneath as well. I pulled this off. There you go. It's orange underneath, so I didn't paint around it. Here we have the cable exit thing, and in there it would have had a new plug, but Adam, it didn't have that. The lid did come from Adam. You probably wouldn't have seen it on his channel. Actually, you might have, with a 580 watt motor in it. We have a power takeoff socket. Here's the base. We have black wheel caps. I sprayed them myself, and the black nose. Let's take the lid off. It does stick, so you have to pull it off. So here's the underneath. It's got wire coming through. It's got no motor in it, sadly, so it is motorless. And there's quite a bit of orange paint around the filter seal. I have to pull this out like that, and it pulls half the paint off the back of the tub. So, you know, what can you do? Yeah, that's not coming off, unfortunately. But yeah, here's the tub. It's got head flow in it, and it's probably never. Well, it's got a little tiny bit of dirt in it. Probably out of another machine. I can't remember. But yeah, it's just a spray painted James, basically. I do wish to send a photo of this off to Numatic to see what they think, and maybe they might do a couple of production machines themselves, just for like limited run or something. Maybe supply them to Argos or whatever. That'd be cool. See my machine in Argos. But yeah, there you go. The cable just wraps around the centre bit in here, like that. For anyone wondering, I need to get more castle top machines. I really do like them. There's a Basil on eBay that I want. Well, probably gone by the time this video has been uploaded. But yeah, so the wire just wraps in there, like so. There we go. It just wraps in there like that. So there you go. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe if you haven't already, and bye for now.